What are the multiples? Multiples of any number. If any number is divisible by given number, then it is known as the multiple of the given number. If any number is completely divisible by given number, then it is known as multiple of given number. For example, if you have 12 and you have to check whether it is multiple of 2 or not, whether it is multiple of 2 or not. So just try to divide by it. 2 into 6 is equals to 12. It means 2 से अगर हम 12 को divide करेंगे तो हमारे पास आंसर 6 आ जाएगा. That's why it is the multiple of 2. It comes in the table of 2. That's why it is multiple of 2. Means multiple का क्या मतलब है? Any number which is completely divisible by the given number, then the number is multiple of the given number. ओके और फैक्टर्स में और मल्टीपल्स में डिफरेंस क्या है? डिफरेंस बिटवीन फैक्टर्स एंड मल्टीपल्स. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फैक्टर्स एंड मल्टीपल्स? तो जब हमें डिफरेंस हमें कैलकुलेट करना है तो फैक्टर क्या होता है? एनी नंबर विच completely divide the given number, which completely divide the given number is known as factor. Is known as factor. कोई भी नंबर जो दिए हुए नंबर को completely divide कर सके. If you have to write down the factors of 12. If you have to write down the factors of 12, तो 12 का फैक्टर क्या है? 12 is divisible by 12, 12 is divisible by 2, 12 is divisible by 3, 12 is divisible by 4 and 12 is divisible by 6. These are the factors and also 12 is divisible by 1. 1 की टेबल में भी 12 आता है. तो so that these are the factors. And if you have to write the multiples of 7 के मल्टीपल अगर आपको लिखने हैं तो 7 का मल्टीपल 7 है. 7 वन जा 7. 7 का मल्टीपल 14 है. 7 का मल्टीपल 21 है. 7 का मल्टीपल 35 है. 48 49 56. So these are the multiples. Means any number which comes in the table of 7 which is completely divisible by 7 is known as multiple, and any number which divides the given number completely is known as factor. This is the difference between factor and multiple. So जब हम फैक्टर्स एंड मल्टीपल्स को समझ लेते हैं, इनको रिकॉग्नाइज कर लेते हैं, देयर आर टू टर्म्स एलसीएम एंड एचसीएफ. देयर आर टू टर्म्स LCM and HCF. What is LCM? Least common multiple. Least common multiple. For example, you have to find the LCM of 2, 3. Least common multiple जो 2 की टेबल में भी आता हो और 3 की टेबल में भी आता हो, तो 2 into 3 is equals to 6. This is the least common multiple and 3 into 2 is equals to 6. So 6 is the least common multiple which comes in the table of 2 and in the table of 3 simultaneously. For example, another example is LCM of 15, 12 and 10. If we have to find the LCM of these numbers, then सबसे पहले फर्स्ट स्टेप हमारा क्या होता है? फैक्टर ऑफ 15. फैक्टर के 15 है 3 into 5 into 1. फैक्टर ऑफ 12, फैक्टर ऑफ 10, 2 into 5. Now 3 comes 1 times here, 1 times here and यहाँ तो नहीं है, तो LCM के अंदर एक वैल्यू आ गई 3. 5 1 time here, 1 time here, 5. 2 यहाँ पर 2 बार ही है, इसमें एक बार भी नहीं और इसमें एक बार, तो मैक्सिमम टाइम हमारा 2 कितनी बार आया? 2 टाइम्स. So this is the LCM 60. And 60 is the required number which is completely divisible by 15. 60 is completely divisible by 12 and 60 is completely divisible by 10. So this is the way how to find the LCM. And if we have to find the HCF, any number which is common in all those three numbers. 5 यहाँ है, यहाँ नहीं है, 3 यहाँ है, यहाँ नहीं है, 2 यहाँ नहीं है. कॉमन नंबर क्या है हमारे पास? 1. 1 is all over 3 digits. That's why HCF is equals to 1. Any number which is common in all the three numbers is the HCF. This is the difference between HCF and LCM, and least common multiple and highest common factor. HCF means highest common factor.